Hello friends, in this video, I will show you how to enable Assistive Touch on your iPhone in two ways. So, let's watch it until the end. Using the Settings app, all we need to do is launch the Settings app on our iPhone, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Then, scroll down and tap on Touch. Afterward, we see an Assistive Touch tap on it to open it. By default, it's off. So, turn on the toggle next to Assistive Touch. As you can see here, the virtual button appears on my iPhone screen. Various functions can be easily performed on your device. We can also customize the Assistive Touch button from the Settings app. That's it. Using Control Center, swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. Then, tap on the Assistive Touch icon to enable it. If not added, press the blank space of the Control Center or tap on the plus icon at the top left corner. Then, tap on Add a Control. Search for the Assistive Touch control and tap on it to add it. You can resize and access the Assistive Touch directly via the Control Center. Suppose you're using any app and want to go back to home screen, just tap on Assistive Touch icon and tap on Home option. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.